Hello everyone, welcome to the channel IGCSE&GCE MATHS SCHOOL. I am Saman. Today we are going to discuss the paper 1H of mathematics of Edexcel IGCSE June 2022. Right. Right. Now, in this paper we have discussed until the question number 14. Now we are going to discuss the question from question number 50. Right. Now question number 50. Here, Abraham plays a computer game. Abraham can win or draw or lose again. Then P win again. This P win a game means probability that Abraham wins a game is 0.3. Then P draws a game. That means probability that P draws a game is 0.5. Okay. Then yes, 25. Then next one, he loses a game. The probability that Abraham loses a game is 0.2. Okay, they have given like that. Then, if he wins a game, he scores plus 10 points. If he draws a game, he scores 0 points. If he loses a game, he scores negative 5 points. Abraham plays 3 games. Scores of all 3 games are added to get his total score. Find probability that total score that Abraham gains is from all 3 games is 0. Total score is 0. Okay. Then we have to draw. We will draw a tree diagram. It is easy. Then here it will be Q15. Q15. Now we will draw tree diagram. Right. And this is the first game. There are 3 possibilities. One is win, other win is draw, other one is lose. Okay. Then this is the first game, game 1. Then second game you write again win or draw or lose. This win, draw or lose. This one also win, draw or lose. This one win, draw or lose. Okay. That is second game. Then he plays another game, 3 games. 3 games, right? Right. Game 3, here this one, he win, lose or draw. Win, draw, lose. This one. Win, draw, lose. This one. Win, draw, lose. Win, draw, lose. This one. Okay. Do we need those things? I think the same, we will get only the relevant branches, because if you are going to draw this whole thing, it will be utter distortion. By drawing the whole thing, even you can take. Now consider the given particulars and what is asked. Given particulars and what is asked here. Now they say he win. He win again is how much? 0.3. Then P lose, P draw. How much? 0.5. Other one is P lose. How much? 0.2. 0.2. Then what are the probabilities asked? They ask he plays 3 games. Then he gets score. Then winning score. Win score is how much? Plus 10. Draw score is how much? 0. Then lose score is how much? Negative 5. Okay. Then they ask that he plays 3 games and they ask the probability that total score of all 3 games is 0. Okay. Okay. Then for the total, then game 1, game 2, game 3, right? Then game 1, then for the total score to be 0, then these relationships, these winning, drawing or losing outcomes must happen like this. Let's say first one is win. This is win. Then he get 10. Then second one, first one is win, but second one they say he lose. Like this. He lose, and here how much he gets? Here say he lose, here win, then he get plus 5, or plus 10. Here winning plus 10. Then probability is 0.3 of getting that. Then other one, draw, then not draw actually. By drawing you can't get it. This losing, then here he lose here. He lose and minus 5, then probability is how much? 0.2. Probability of losing here. Then this one also he lose, then you get losing, then that is minus 5, and probability is how much? 0.2. Like. This is one way of getting. First one he wins, second game he lose, third game also he lose. The another way is what? First one he lose, then minus 5. Second one, what is the probability of 0.2. Second one is let's say win plus 10, and that is 0.3. And next one, he let's say again lose. When he L minus 5, 0.2. Okay. Losing probability. Right? Then there's another one. Here lose, here win, first, second one win. Then there's another one. First one lose, second one also lose, third one win. Here losing minus 5, 0.2. That one. This one losing minus 5, 0.2. Right? Probability. Then this one lose, this one is win. Win what? Plus 10, 0.3. These are the probabilities, possible outcomes, which gives a total of 0. Now here, plus 10, minus 5, minus 5, 0. Here, minus 5, plus 10, minus 5, 0. Minus 5, minus 5, plus 10. That's all. Okay, that's only those three events. Then probability of these are the branches of that previously drawn tree diagram. We did not go with the tree diagram because here space was not enough. So we just took the relevant branches of that tree diagram. Yeah, first one is winning one, second one is losing one, third one is lose one. First one is lose one, second one is won one, next one is lose like that. There are only three branches of that whole diagram we need. Then we find the probabilities of these. Then this one 0.3 into 0.2 into 0.2. Then first one 0.3 into 0.2 into 0.2. Okay, that is then other one is 0.2. This one 0.2 into this is the probabilities of the first one. These are branches along the branch of the tree diagram. You multiply the probabilities. You multiply this probability. Then next one is 0.2 into 0.3 into 0.2. Okay. Next one is what? This one. Here, last outcome 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.3. This one 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.3. Okay. Right? Then here, when we ask then this branch of the tree diagram also gives a total of 0. This branch of the tree diagram also gives a score of 0, total score of 0. Then this branch of the tree diagram also gives a total score of 0. Therefore, it is this case or this case or this case. So then here O, here O. O means what? Plus always. Then you write 3 times 2, how much? 6 times 2, how much? 12. Then here 0.012. There are 3 decimal places, right? Then 0 plus. Then this one, this is also same thing, 0.012. Okay. Then next one, plus 0.012. Add all together. Then you are getting what? 12, 12, 36. That means 0.036. This will be the probability of him getting a total score of 0 by playing all 3 games. Okay. That is that. Right. Next one. Show that here. Okay. 16th one. They say Q16. Let's say Q16. Don't know whether they are species or not. Right. We'll see now. Show that 12 over square root 2. 12 over root 2 minus 1. Then minus square root 2 to the power 5 equals, you have to show that, you have to show that 2 square root 32 plus 12. You have to show that ultimately by simplify. You simplify. Okay, this equals, now I am going to simplify this, right? Right, now here there are no denominators here. They haven't got denominator, but here there is a denominator. That is where this denominator has been removed. That must be there. There's no denominator here. It must be because this denominator has been removed. Then how do you remove denominator? By rationalizing the denominator. All right. We will rationalize this denominator first. What do you do? Rationalize this denominator. The square root 2 minus 1, you multiply by square root 2 plus 1. Then you write here 12. Then square root 2 minus 1. Right? Multiplied by square root 2 plus 1, and then square root 2 plus 1. Then when you multiply the denominator by square root 2 plus 1, you multiply the numerator also by square root 2 plus 1. That's what I did here, right? Then this one you apply the principle here. You know, a squared minus b squared equals a plus b and a minus b. This is the difference of factors or difference of 2 square. When you have this, you can write this instead. When you have this, you can write this instead. Now you look at this one here. 2 squared minus 1, like 2 squared, square root 2 minus 1, square root 2 plus 1. Okay. Now here this is like this. A plus b, a minus b. Square root minus 1, square root plus 1. Therefore, now we build this one from this. How? Then a plus b, a minus b, wrote a squared minus b, therefore square root 2 minus 1, square root plus 1, you can write square root 2 squared. And this minus, just minus 1 squared. Here a means square root 2, b means 1. Okay. Then this one we can simplify how? Square root 2 into square root 2, no? Square root 2 squared means into square root 2, then minus 1 squared is 1. Square root 2 into square root 2 is square root 4. Square root 4 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. Like that. Here, then when you then you can write the other part of this, square root 2 or to the power of 5, and then this square root 2 to the power of 5, this one we can write as square root 2 square root 2 to the power 2 into square root 2 to the power 2 into square root 2. So these are indices now. Same base is square root 2. Okay. Then if you put like that. Okay. Then here we can write this one we found here. 2 minus ultimately 1. This one will be 1 here. Then this one is 12 into square root 2. We remove that 12 square root 2. Then 12 plus 1 is 12. 12 into 1 is 12. Okay. Then here it is minus. Then square root 2 squared here came. Square root 2 was square root 2 squared means square root 2 into square root 2. Like this. Square root 2. Square root 2 into square root 2, how much? Ultimately 2. Therefore, this is 2. This is also 2. 2 into 2 into square root. Like that. Then we can write here. Then dividing by 1 is nothing. So dividing by 1 is itself. It makes no change. Square root 2 plus 12 minus 2 times 2, 4 here. 4 square root 2. Alright. Then, right. Then we can simplify these two like such. 12 square root 2 minus 4 square, they can be subtracted. Like root means surd factor, like surds. These are like surds. Then like surds can be added or subtracted. The like surds are the surds of which the surd factor is the same. Surd factors are equal. Here surd factor square root 2, square root 2. Therefore, these two are like surds. Therefore, they can subtract them. This is 12 minus 8, 4 is 8. 8 square root 2 plus 12. But what do they ask? They ask us to show that it is equal to 2 square root 32 plus 2. We have got 12, of course, but we have to now make an adjustment here. To make this 32, you have to multiply this 2 by 16. 2 by 16. Therefore, we can break this. You can write this 8 as 2 into 4 square root 2 plus 12. Then this 4 is taken in by squaring. So whenever you want to take something, say for example, let's say you want to take something like square root 18, right? Square root 18. Then you can simplify this. This one is 9 times 2. Then square root 9 is 3. Then square root 2. This is what you get after simplifying this. Then now if you want to take this 3 inside the square root, you have to button square this and take inside. Then when you take this inside, it will be the square of this. Then you can write the square root 3 squared into 2. 3 squared is 9. 9 times 2. Then square root. There you got the same thing. Okay. Therefore, if you want to take any term outside into inside of square root, we have to square that outside but and take. Then here this 4 is squared, then take that inside, then it will be 2. Then 4 is squared, then take, it will be how much? 4 squared into 2 plus 12. Like that. Right? Okay, then we can, I will take it here. Then we have got this 4, 2. We have got this 2. Then 4 squared is 16. 16 into 2. Then this one plus 12. Then here 16 into 2 means 36. Then 2 square root 30. Sorry, 16 times 2 is 32. Plus 12. Okay, we got the answer. Okay. 2 square root 32 plus 12. Okay. Right, that's all. Okay, with that we stop this video. Have a nice time and see you in the next video.